Snooker coaching is an art, and not everybody can be a snooker coach or any cue sports. Now we are about to change that through International Snooker Coaches Association. It cannot just be for snooker, it can be for any cue sport. So all are welcome to join. If you are a certified snooker coach or a pool coach or any cue sport coach, you are welcome to join International Snooker Coach Associations. Website link is available. In International Snooker Coaches Federation, we already have different professional and certified coaches from different parts, which includes Korea, Saudi, Kenya, Australia, Holland, Singapore, Pakistan, India, and so many other countries which are going to be part of this International Snooker Coaches Association. So if you are an individual or a snooker association or federation, you're welcome to join ISCA, that is International Snooker Coaches Association.